Hey Dazzlers, welcome back to my channel. As always, I hope that you are safe and doing well. In today's video, I show you how I made my very first junk mirror using inexpensive items like this plastic table scatter that I picked up from my local Dollar Tree. I wanted a fall themed junk charm mirror, and here's how I made it. The first thing I did was give my plastic charms 2 coats of gold metallic spray paint. While that paint dried, I glued a 16-inch craft mirror that I picked up from Joann's Fabric to a piece of 1/2-inch foam board. Next, I covered the perimeter of the foam board with Dollar Tree disco towels. Now that the paint is completely dry, I added my first row of the charms to my mirror. I thought this simple design was super cute, and I could have stopped there, but remember, this is a junk mirror or a clutter mirror. So after allowing this to sit for about 20 minutes, I began to add the clutter. I ended up not liking the disco towels and decided to cover them with the plastic charms as well. I continued adding charms until my ancestors told me to stop, and here's how I did number 1 turned out. I had a few leftover charms, and here's how I used them. I used an old plastic container lid for this project. I placed some of the charms between two Dollar Tree mirrored candle holders, and here's how idea number 2 turned out. For idea number 3, we're using Dollar Tree shower curtain rings. I used a strong adhesive to glue 2 of the shower curtain rings together. I let the glue dry for about 2 hours before taking this out to a well-ventilated area for 2 coats of gold metallic spray paint. And here's how idea number 3 turned out. I really love how all 3 ideas turned out. I think they're beautiful. But what do you guys think? Let me know down in the comments. As always, I would love to hear from you. I hope you enjoyed this week's video. If so, be sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Thank you guys so much for watching. And until next time, Dazzlers, bye.